I fucking love this shit, man, honestly. I just recorded this shit. It was like 20 minutes long. And it didn't fucking save. So that's just fucking tastic, isn't it? Yeah, fucking class. Class. I fucking hate this shit. Right, anyway. Anyhow. Right, I'll just show you my bias coming into this morning. Right. Leaning bullish coming into the morning, clearly respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. We have stacked high / low resistance liquidity, and we are respecting this 1 hour order block at the moment. This one. But I wouldn't mind seeing price come lower, rebalancing the 4 hour range, and then tapping into this 1 hour unicorn to continue higher. But we will see how we do it closer to market open. So obviously we had these stacked highs. We're respecting this OB at the moment. I want to see price come down, tap this unicorn, rebalance the 4 hour, and then start coming higher towards previous day / all-time highs again. I've got the live recording of my trade, so we ended up doing that, coming down, rebalancing, and then pushing higher upon market open. We made it this SMT, but it ended up getting disrespected, and then we ended up sweeping out this buy side level here, creating another SMT, and then I was thinking about shorts off of this, but I was so bullish that I didn't want to like trade against the bias. So I never ended up taking it to the unfill 5 minute. It was this accumulation here, and then we manipulated higher, and then we ended up inversing this gap here, and then it was this inversion here, and then we distributed lower to the 5 minute. That's where the TP would have been, but I'm pretty sure the inversion took out the. I mean, nah, you could have entered off this. So yeah, you could have took that.
This is a no break.
But yeah, I was looking for longs here. I ended up taking longs. I shouldn't have took these though, because we invalidated this 5 minute here, and we never tapped into this new 5 minute, and then we hadn't made the 15 minute yet. So this long idea was pretty bad. Because we were so close to the buy side liquidity in the previous day high, I was just expecting the price to flush up. So I was willing to take the risk on just taking this wee inversion here, even though it's not the highest time frame, which arguably I shouldn't have really done, but I did de-risk just in case of this. So you'll see I end up taking the trade. Shit gets really laggy.
I'll tell you this.
You hear order filled. You can hear it. Oh, it's kind of annoying how it's not showing you, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, I'll just show you on this. So it was this inversion here. IFEG. It entered me like up here because I never waited for the retap, and then I covered this low because there was an SMT here. You can see it right here. And then yeah, I ended up taking this. Ended up pushing, to be fair, and then just like reversed down. We made a 15 minute. We tapped the 15 minute and the 5 minute, and then this is where I started looking for my longs. You'll see. Here we go. Now it's showing you. So yeah, I ended up taking this inversion. Oh shit, that's a way worse entry than I actually thought I got. Yeah, you can see, yes, yeah, it pushed me up. And then we looked at we were targeting it. It was a low risk trade, to be fair. And then yeah, we ended up dumping because we made this new 15 minute, and then we had a 5 minute. So yeah, at this point I was looking for longs to this new buy side level, because this was the 15 minute, that was the 5 minute there. Yeah, so I was looking for these longs originally. So yeah, these longs here. So if we're on a 1 minute time frame, It was off of this 1 minute inversion here, but we never ended up inversing it. We came lower, resweeping this low, which is originally what I wanted. Like I did, like not originally, but when we were starting to come up, I did want to see this low get reswept, just because like taking along here wouldn't have been the nicest entry. It would only have been like a 1 to 2 point whatever, and it was pretty low probability at that point. So I did want to see a resweep. So we ended up just like accumulating here. Accumulating. You can tell it's accumulation because we're not making any imbalances. And then we come lower, we turtle sweep this low, or like resweep this low. And then we start having nice displacement up. The highest time frame inversion within this current trading leg was the 3 minute, but I scaled down to the 30-second and I saw that we had a 30-second inversion of a new trading leg. So yeah, so see, we had this new trading leg. So one thing that you've got to take into account is like, what is a trading leg? So a trading leg is just a swing high to a swing low, or a swing low to a swing high, right? And then you're looking for an inversion within this move here, or this move here, right? So that's what a trading leg is. This is what you're looking for when you're looking for trading legs. And then you're looking for a price to like sweep this, boom, 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 higher, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, we made a new trading leg within the 30-second. So I knew that I could target the 3 minute as my break even, because say that this is like, that's a perfect example for it, but I'll make another example here because I did it in the last video, but then it fucking deleted itself. So say we're making higher highs, higher lows, and then yeah, we'll do, yeah, this will do. That's fine. Say this here is a 5 minute, oh no, we'll do this one. Say this is a 5 minute inversion here, right? And this is a lower time frame. Say this is the 1 minute time frame, and we have a 1 minute inversion here, right? You can take this 1 minute inversion, go either break even at this internal high and then TP here, or you can go break even at this 5 minute and then TP at the external drawn liquidity. A better example, like would be like this. Let's say it's like that. Yeah. So say you've got your 5 minute here, your 1 minute or 30-second inversion here. Say like here. Say you enter off the retap of that inversion, and then you cover like, say, I don't know, say there's a fucking order block. Say there's an order block here. Cover the low of the order block, and then boom, you've got TP1 break even, and then you can target the external draws for just better RR. So this is like an example of being able to take a mech model that isn't the highest time frame inversion of the whole leg, but the highest time frame inversion of the current trading leg. That's a very key word. Like that's why I like to scale down, because I like to look for the current trading leg. Like, yeah, we have this 3 minute of this trading leg here, but on the 30-second we've made a new trading leg. Where is it gone? I hate. Just do this. Yeah, we've got a new trading leg, swing high to swing low, and we've got the highest time frame inversion within this new trading leg, which was this 30-second here, and then we can target that 3 minute as a break even, and then our external draws on liquidity. So that was my thought process coming into this. We ended up making this breaker block here as well, so I just put my stop loss at the body of the down closed, or the up closed candle. I arguably could have put it here, but just, I don't know, market's been a bit weird, so I just put it at the up close candle just to like make sure that I didn't get stopped out for some fucking just dumb shit. So yeah, I was just double checking, making sure. But this is a clear accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution move. I ended up closing full TP up here because we ended up making this bearish SMT, which we ended up respecting, and I would have got break even if I didn't close my whole position here. So good thing I did, because the other week there I was a bit less conscientious when thinking about SMTs and stuff like that, and it caused me a trade. So I've been really really keeping an eye on ES and NQ at the same time. But yeah, so this is my trade. I did originally have my TP up here, but obviously because of the SMT, I closed it. It was a bit, I don't know, I closed like here on this wick or something like that. But I did have I had five, what are they called? I had 5 contracts, micro contracts, here to take me out at a sell limit, and then I ended up just closing the whole trade, putting me up like 1.1, and then absolutely destroying that previous loss that I had, which as well I should probably go over it. I shouldn't have taken this trade because we invalidated this 5 minute here, while we hadn't touched the 5 minute below it yet. So I should have really waited for this 5 minute here to get traded into, or for us to form this 15 minute and then that to get traded into before looking for like longs. So like say if this happened here, that would have been a way better loss. Like I wasn't mad about this loss, but like it's just something that I need to keep in mind for next time, which I know now anyway. But yeah, this trade here, this was fucking, honestly, just looking at this, it's fucking gorgeous. Like we're just generating liquidity, boom, accumulate, manipulate, take out this low. We're respecting the 15 and 5 minute for value gaps, and then just take it to the local buy side or the accumulation highs. You can just call that accumulation highs, to be fair. That's all this is. Accumulation high, and then boom, SMT, close your whole position. That's you done. And then this big move here, I'll mention this. This is just tariffs. So I'll go on to the Discord. This is the article here. Read it if you want. I've already read it. It's basically just saying how China did some unexpected thing and it like stopped supply of like essential like precious metals and like stuff like that. Like, I don't know, like magnets and just random shit. They were just stopping the sale of it or something like that. I can't quite remember. You can just read it and then fucking find it for yourself. But Trump ended up upping tariffs because of this, and then that's what caused this big dump in the market. Because obviously, him upping the tariffs isn't good for trade and the economy in general. So yeah, that's what that happened. But I locked myself at the account, as you can see, and just got off the market as soon as I won this trade. Because when you're trading, you want to be in and out of the markets. The market is here to make you lose. You know what I mean? Like you don't want to stay in the market. You want to get your money and you want to fucking bounce. So that's just the idea of today. I took a loss, tried one more time, won, up my risk. I risked 500 on this trade just because the setup. It was honestly, oh my god, it was shaggable, mate. This is such a fucking good trade. So yeah. That's the trade recap. Hopefully when I fucking end it this time, it's gonna fucking save. Actually, let me see if I can show you the live trade.
What is this price? Generating XLR. Oh, tart. What's so tart?
No cap. No cap. It was absolute tart.
I can enter that game.
You can see we're coming down. Respect this.
15 minutes.
I just love how my shit won't load. Like I want to show you. I wanted to make a TikTok out of the live trade as well, that's just unfortunate. So I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, that was a trade recap. Hope you guys fucking learned something. But right in a bit.